वन टू थ्री। नमस्ते एवरीवन एंड वेलकम बैक टू द न्यू वीडियो। मैं हूं आपका दोस्त निखिल और आ गया हूं लेके आपके लिए एक और नई वीडियो। This is gonna be about the all-new Maruti e Vitara, the one of the most anticipated EVs in India right now. What is this car having? What are the specs? What are the features? Let's do a quick walk around and understand if you are waiting for this car, what are you actually waiting for? If you like this video, don't shy away from hitting the like button. If you haven't really subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and bell notification for all our future updates. I can't wait to start the walk around and show you what this car has got without wasting any further time. Let's get started. Let's get going. So there you go, guys. This is the all-new Maruti Suzuki e Vitara. Now, this car has not yet been launched. ना ही इसके launch date के बारे में कोई information आई है. Tentatively, we can expect this car to arrive in the market around Diwali. So ये Diwali release, Diwali धमाका हो सकता है. But just look at the design pattern. I mean, just look at this completely new avatar they have brought from the European market. So what they have done is this car is running successfully on the European roads, and what they have done is without making much change to its current specs and features, they have brought this car. Now let's find out what specs and features are we talking about and how this is very European. Starting with the headlight. So you get a projector LED setup over here, a big Suzuki logo in your satin chrome finish. This one now gets an ADAS level 2 जिसका radar आपको यहां पर देखने मिल जाएगा, and the front camera setup over there. Now look at the front stance of this car and the approach angle. It gets a fog lamp setup over there. It also gets 4 parking sensors. Now that is good. Not only in your front but also in the rear bumper you get 4 parking sensors. Aero twin wipers. That is amazing as well. No cost cut. The AC/DC charger, according to the global standards, have been placed over here. How much of an AC/DC charge will it support? Well, it is capable of up to 140 kilowatt hour DC fast charge and up to 7.2 kilowatt of AC charge. Now guys, understand, all these are speculations and tentative specs and features about this car. Exactly इसके क्या specs and features होंगे वो जब ये कार ही officially launch होगी तब पता चलेगा. एंड इफ यू आर एक्चुअली वेटिंग फॉर व्हाट इज द प्राइस ऑफ दिस कार, वेल वो मैं वीडियो के एंड में आपको बताऊंगा कि बिकॉज वहां पर एक छोटा सा ट्विस्ट है. वो ट्विस्ट क्या है ये मैं वीडियो के एंड में आपको जरूर से बता दूंगा. सो बने रहना. पसंद आएगी तो लाइक जरूर से करना. अभी तक नए हो चैनल पे, एज आई सेड, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब. मुझे मोटिवेशन मिलती है जब हमारे सब्सक्राइबर्स बढ़ते हैं, जब आपका प्यार और सपोर्ट कमेंट सेक्शन में दिखता है, बहुत अच्छा लगता है. सो कीप शावरिंग योर लव एंड सपोर्ट. मूविंग ऑन विद द साइड प्रोफाइल. सबसे पहले, दिस इज वेयर somehow these type of alloy wheels for the EV cars are actually coming out in the market. We first saw similar thing in the Nexon, then in the Creta, and now in the Suzuki as well. But the good thing is Wanderers के आपको 18 इंच के, so 255 are 18 इंच के आपको alloy wheels मिल जाते हैं. And not only 4 alloy wheels with disc brake on all 4 wheels, you get a full size alloy wheel as your stepney, as your spare tire. How amazing is that? Tell me in the comment section if you know any other brand which is providing a full size alloy wheel in this segment. Do let me know when it comes to EVs. You get a request sensor both on your driver as well as on your co-driver side. The side profile is something like this. I'm going to give you the dimensions on your screen. It is as big as 4300 mm length. Width and everything is right there. Ground clearance की बात अगर करें, now this is where it gets interesting. So have a look at the ground clearance. With 185 mm of unladen ground clearance, we do not see any battery hanging whatsoever. So you see why? Now you might ask, why is the battery not hanging? Well, that is because this is on a Born Electric platform. Yes, absolutely correct. ये Born Electric platform पे इस कार को बनाया गया है जहां पर probably blade battery का इस्तेमाल किया गया है. And the batteries have been integrated very well with your chassis, जिसके वजह से इसका जो फ्लोरिंग है, इसकी फ्लोरिंग भी आपको पूरी की पूरी फ्लैट मिलेगी. गाड़ी के अंदर जाएंगे और आपको जरूर से बताएंगे कि थाई सपोर्ट एंड नी रूम एंड कंफर्ट कैसा है. फिलहाल लेट्स मूव ऑन to the rear profile, you do not get a connected DRLs or you do not get a connected tail lamp, but you get these beautiful थोड़ा जी ग्रैंड टूरिज्मो जीटी टाइप मेरे ओपिनियन में इसके टेल लैंप्स जो हैं वो हमें देखने मिल जा रहे हैं। सुजुकी ई विटारा की बैजिंग हमें यहाँ पर देखने को मिल जा रही है और कुछ नहीं, पूरा क्लीन रखा गया है। यू गेट अ शार्क फिन एंटीना, हाई माउंटेड स्टॉप लैम्प, डिफॉगर, वॉशर, वाइपर, सब कुछ यहाँ पे आ जा रहा है। यू गेट अ मैनुअल बूट, you do not get an electrically opening tailgate, which is absolutely fine. A 300-liter boot space with a 40-20-40 split ratio and a partial tray. इसको हटा दो तो काफी जगह बन जाएगी। With this, you are definitely gonna get this 3.3 kilowatt का portable charger. However, they have not yet revealed whether you will get a 7 kilowatt का wall mount AC charger or not. यहां पर कुछ और स्पेसिंग है, but there you go. This is your full size alloy wheels. What else you get over here? You get a boot lamp over here and you get an Infinity का subwoofer. This comes with, I believe, a 7 speaker setup. जब फ्रंट में जाएंगे उसकी बात और करेंगे। यहां पे कुछ और ये हुक हमें देखने को मिल जा रहा है, तो चलो इसे बंद किया जाए। Now let's move on to the rear seat and see कि हमें क्या कंफर्ट मिलता है। यहां पर इसका लॉक जो है वो मिल जा रहा है। Now fit and finish की बात हम वीडियो के एंड में जरूर से करेंगे, where I will share my first impressions with you. Even though guys, when I went to the Auto Expo Delhi में, I did a walk around of this car. आप लोगों ने प्यार और सपोर्ट दिखाया था, but it was very rushed. I was really waiting for this car to come to our dealerships in Kolkata, and not just this car or this EV, guys. If you are interested in buying any EV and if you're confused which one to go for, and if you really feel that an expert guidance and opinion can help you make that decision, well, I provide consultation service. There is a link in the description. Do check out my consultation services. Do check out the website. And if you like the reviews, do try to book a service as well. I guarantee an unbiased opinion and advice to help you make an informed decision. And do join our Telegram Pan India EV community as well and make it more stronger. Now let's move on with the video. First things first, guys, the car opens this wide. So that is good. It is a big door. It is definitely heavy. It is not halka at all. You get hard plastic everywhere, even on the all 4 doors, even on the dashboard is all hard plastic. But you get fabric soft touch for your elbow for all 4 doors, which is good. You get a one touch up down for all 4 windows. Now that is good and a practical feature that ideally all cars should have. It is not flimsy. The door locks are chrome colored, but not flimsy at all. You get a, I believe, a 1 liter bottle pocket for all the 4 doors as well. Now let's see how easy or difficult it is to get inside the car. Well, first things first, the cushioning is so soft. The first impression you get is the moment you go for long drives, it will just tell you go to sleep. You're sitting, it feels like you're sitting on a cloud. Also, you get a recline angle on your seat, which means this seat is on a very upright position. Now, obviously, it would not be very comfortable. So, यहाँ पर अपने को हुक मिलता है, जहां पर अपने को 1 और 2 अच्छा रिक्लाइन मिल जाता है। हेडरूम की बात करें, सो इतना, अगर थोड़ा सा और मैं आराम से बैठ जाऊं, तो इतना हेडरूम जो है मुझे मिल रहा है, जो डिसेंट है। अगर अपराइट भी बैठता हूं, तो भी डिसेंट हेडरूम मुझे मिल रहा है। नी रूम की बात करें, दिस सीट इज एडजस्टेड टू माई हाइट, आई एम 6 फुट, तो यहां पर मुझे बहुत अच्छा नी रूम मिल रहा है। फीट gets tucked in very nicely and good leg room as well. What else you get? You get a twin cup holder with this armrest over here, which is also the 20% of your seat folding. Fabric की बात करें, you get a leatherite and a fabric, so semi fabric semi leatherite upholstery आपको यहाँ पे देखने को मिल जाती है। Child isofix mount for both the seats, 3 adjustable headrest for all 3 passengers along with 3-point seat belt. You get some more handle hook and some reading lines with white light over here, which is again good. The entire thing is charcoal black, so it means गंदी ज्यादा नहीं होगी, मेंटेनेंस इजी होगा, बट एट द सेम टाइम आई फील गर्मियों में हीट ज्यादा करेगी। सो नोइंग दैट मारुति सुजुकी का जो एसी है जनरली हमेशा बोन चिलिंग होता है, दैट प्रॉब्लम विल बी टेकन केयर ऑफ। टॉकिंग अबाउट एसीज, you get a rear vent with controllers. Now that is good as well, along with some more charging points over here. I hope it is visible. You get a C type over here and you get an A type over here. पूरा का पूरा flat bed. It makes it very easy for the third passenger who is sitting in the center to move around. चलो आपको दिखाई देते हैं. So if I am 6 foot and if I am sitting in the center, obviously I feel कि मैं थोड़ा तो बम्प पे बैठा हुआ हूं, but then again headroom मुझे इतना ही मिल रहा है, not one of the best. हाँ, but then again नी रूम की बात करें तो मेरे को प्रॉब्लम ज्यादा नहीं हो रही है. But just have a look at the dashboard. Now this center console is looking really premium, really not Maruti Suzuki types. You are getting an auto hold electric parking, your gear knob changes or your mode changes, you get an electric parking brake, you get your snow and other modes over here, and your drive and other modes over here. Plus you get 2 cup holders and a wireless charging pad over there. And the AC controls have been given by these amazing buttons. We'll talk about more when we go to the front seat. This door is heavy, really heavy. Hard plastic everywhere. They have given a very nice black and brown का combination यहाँ पर. You get a soft touch elbow. Same वही boring सी की. They should have done something about it. कुछ blue tint देते तो मजा आता. One touch up down for all 4 windows. Lock, unlock, child lock and ORVM के controls यहाँ पर. You get a 360-degree camera with this particular car and ये इसका टॉप मॉडल है. सो आई एम गेसिंग कि ये जीटा के नाम से आएगा क्या, उन्होंने वो भी अभी तक कुछ रिवील नहीं किया है. अमेजिंग इज यू गेट एन 12-way adjustable, electronically adjustable driving seat. Now that is good. First of all, the door third. कानों में हवा जो है ना ऐसे पास हो गई. गुड door third. Headroom is decent because you do get a panoramic sunroof, not a moon roof, but a panoramic sunroof because ये नहीं खुलता है. And thank God for this, guys. Because होता क्या है ना कि people are still not understanding that it is not safe for anyone to come out of this in a moving car, especially kids. So my request is please do not come out of the sunroof, especially your children, not even you when it's moving. And please don't drink and drive. Please drive responsibly. You are responsible not only for yourself, your family, and other families who are outside the car. Moving on. So the seat comfort is nice. The cushioning is very soft, as I said. Now the shoulder room is very good. The side bolstering is very good again. And let's have a look at the thigh support. It is not one of the best. I wouldn't say it is less or it is more. But thanks to the thigh support extender, it is definitely making life very easy for me. Just have a look at this. This is how I don't feel any problem whatsoever with this thigh support. Now, my feet are absolutely relaxed over here. Plus, you get a dedicated dead pedal over here, which is again very good with some rubber gripping. स्टीयरिंग की बात करें तो यहां पर हमें डी कट के साथ साथ अपर कट वाली स्टीयरिंग भी जो है वो मिल गई है. चलिए कार को स्टार्ट करते हैं. यहां पे इसका स्टार्ट स्टॉप बटन है और देखते हैं क्या एनिमेशंस हमें देखने को मिलता है. चलो, hope it is visible on your screen. So you get a 10-inch infotainment system. I believe it's the same one that they are using for the Grand Vitara, but I don't think so because it is now with the same one panel only, just like your Hyundai and your Kia, wherein यहाँ पर भी 10-inch का MID and the 10-inch का infotainment system. I believe with 7 speakers, 2 tweeters, 4 speakers and 1 subwoofer, which is good. We were talking about the AC controls. ये तो यहाँ पर हैं, but सबसे मजेदार क्या लगा पता है? ये these volume rockers. I mean, how cool are they? AC vents are ergonomically and aesthetically placed very nicely with the champagne gold finish. Very nice. The steering wheel is tilt as well as telescopic. Now that is good. You get a dedicated button over here for your 360-degree camera. So let me click over here. And first it will go round and round. I wouldn't give it a 5-star in my books for the best 360-degree camera, but the camera quality definitely has improved, though I have seen better cameras. But will it get the job done? Well, वो जब गाड़ी को हम चलाएंगे, जब टेस्ट ड्राइव लेंगे, तब ज्यादा बेटर समझ में आएगी. सो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो कि वो सारे वीडियोस के आपको अपडेट्स टाइम टू टाइम मिल जाएं. इलेक्ट्रॉनिकली डिमिंग IR VM, विच इज गुड. यहाँ पर आपको SOS का कुछ इस तरह से कंट्रोल जो है वो मिल जाता है, विच इज गुड. हाथ लग जाए तो गलती से दब ना जाए. यहाँ पे ये स्मार्ट काम किया है मारुति सुजुकी वालों ने. आई रियली गिव इट अ थम्स अप. Plus some more lightings over here, which is ऑल राइट, यू डू गेट वैनिटी मिरर विदाउट लाइट. ये मेरे कैमरा की लाइट है, इसको चलो अगर मैं ऑफ कर दूं तो जस्ट यू गेट दिस, यू डोंट गेट एनी लाइट. ऑल्सो ओवर हियर द चारकोल ब्लैक फिनिश इज लुकिंग वेरी वेरी नाइस गाइज. अगर क्वालिटी की बात करें, अब आते हैं फिट एंड फिनिश की बात करते हैं. ग्लव बॉक्स भी हमें डिसेंट शेप का मिला है, साइज का मिला है, ज्यादा ना बड़ा ना छोटा, काम हो जाएगा आपका. पियानो ब्लैक में बहुत सारे एलिमेंट्स यहां पर हैं, स्पेशली द सेंटर कंसोल विच विल ऑब्वियसली अट्रैक्ट अ लॉट ऑफ स्क्रैचेस, बट देन अगेन अगर इसका भी कोई आ जाता है एक्सेसरी जहां पर आप इसको प्रोटेक्ट कर सको तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. रिवर्स न्यूट्रल ड्राइव का हमें यहां पर फंक्शन देखने मिल जाता है विद द हेल्प ऑफ दीज. सो दिस इज कूल, ओके, दिस इज रियली रियली कूल. इसको यूं प्रेस करके अगर हम यहां घुमाएं तो ये रिवर्स का कैमरा जो है वो ऑन हो जाता है, और यही वापस से दबाकर अगर यू करे तो ये ड्राइव मोड पर आ गया है. भाई न्यूट्रल में आ जा, हाँ ये प्रेस करने से न्यूट्रल में आ गया. यू ऑल्सो गेट दिस बिग आर्म रेस्ट, बिग इनफ, एंड द शोल्डर रूम इज ऑल्सो गुड इन दिस कार. बट यहाँ पर कुछ और हमें जो है वो स्पेसिंग देखने को मिल जा रही है, काफी डीप है गाइज, इट्स लाइक रियली रियली डीप विच इज वेरी गुड. आइए गाड़ी को बंद करते हैं. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द पावर, द बैटरी. नाउ द ई विटारा विल कम विद टू बैटरी पैक्स, द 49 and the 61. They have not really spoken about what is the claim range, but they are saying in the European market it is clocking approximately up to 500 kilometers on a single charge. How much or what will it be on Indian roads? Well, it is difficult to determine, but out of experience, and this is purely out of experience, a 61 kilowatt hour battery pack with the size of the car, with the weight of the car, I don't really know what the exact weight is. I would say on Indian roads, if it can give you around 400 to 450, it would be a very very good product for others to watch out for. Now let's talk about who are the actual competitors of your e-Vitara. Definitely the Creta EV, definitely the B6 or the Curve EV, because ये आएगी तो उसी प्राइस सेगमेंट में आएगी. एंड फॉर Maruti Suzuki to sell this car, I would really hope that they bring it under 20 lakhs. I would really hope that they don't even try to compete it with the B6. In fact, they don't even try to compete it with the Atto 3 Dynamic, right? अगर ये compete करे और अच्छे से अगर top model 20 lakhs तक में आ जाए, it is a great buy in my opinion. So yeah, I told you about the pricing towards the end. So they have not revealed the pricing, and I don't know why. Yet they are showcasing this car everywhere, all over the country. So in my opinion, if this is priced top model, ex showroom, maximum 20 lakh for the product that this is giving, I don't think they should price it more than 20 lakhs. It is a good buy purely because एक तो मारुति का वादा है, और इसकी जो एक्चुअल कार जो है वो यूरोपियन मार्केट में अच्छा काम कर रही है. So will it be a good competitor? Yes, of course, to many cars. A good competition to probably the upcoming Windsor EV का जो 50 kilowatt है, और जो Nexon का 55. Now these are all speculations. I'm not sure whether or not they're gonna be coming anytime soon or not. Maybe not. I don't know. But if you are planning to buy this car or any car for that matter from Nexa, the Divas Garage Ruby is the place for you. It is a very good showroom. A big shout out for them. Very nice people, very good staff. You come here, you meet Somnath. He's my guy. Amazing dude. उनसे मिलो, और ये रूबी के पास में ही पड़ता है आपको. So आके यहाँ पर ये गाड़ी को देख सकते हो. Again, पावर की बात करें, अंडर 200 न्यूटन मीटर टॉर्क रखा है. क्या थोड़ी सी अंडर पावर हो सकती है? वेल, वो तो क्रेटा भी मुझे अंडर पावर लगी थी, बट चलाने के बाद में ऐसा खास फील नहीं हुआ. अलग अलग ड्राइव मोड्स एंड एवरीथिंग इसमें आ जाएंगे गाइस, बट ज्यादा कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है अभी. अराउंड 160 bhp की पावर एंड 190 समथिंग का टॉर्क. आई स्टिल गिव द स्पेसिफिकेशंस इन फ्रंट ऑफ योर स्क्रीन. Is it good enough for the Indian roads? Have they tuned it really for the Indian roads? That time will tell. Filal, I really hope you enjoyed this video. You liked it, and if you did, do mention it in the comment section and do hit the like button with the subscribe button. मैं मिलता हूँ बहुत जल्द अपनी next video में. Till then, take care. God bless. Love you guys.